Sorry. No.
Happy Halloween, boils and ghouls!
Welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Stevie.
And I'm Dwayne.
We love to go to haunted houses, and we go to as many as we can during haunt season, which lasts from September through October. And tonight, we are headed to another one. Sorry if I cut Dwayne off there a little bit. We are on the road. We are almost there. Located in Belton, South Carolina. The one and only
Night Terrors.
If you are not familiar with Night Terrors, holy crap, you're about to get really familiar with Night Terrors. They are a very hands-on haunt, gritty, in the woods. I'm excited to go see them again.
I absolutely love Night Terrors, and I'm so excited to go back. That is where Grandpa came from, in the back seat, actually.
Grandpa, you're back there snuggling with Frank. All right, guys, we're about 5 minutes away, so let's continue down the road in South Carolina to visit the one and only Night Terrors. Let's go. Before, this is a touch haunt, and we've got our friends Sam and Graham here. Sam and Graham.
Yep, it rhymes. Yep. Oh, that rhymes.
They're gonna get touched too. So we can just run away.
Okay.
Uh-oh. It's already begun. Oh, now we know. We were wondering if it was a photo op or a prop. It's for usage. Escape! Escape! Run away! I'm good. Oh, wait, I did my hair just for you.
I know it is sweet. It's sweet like cotton candy.
Oh!
Don't cry, baby, don't cry.
Wait.
We gotta do a little swaddle if you have to. We'll swaddle if you have to.
Wait. I'm gonna swirl me, I'm gonna record.
Okay, use the ball.
I don't.
Somebody shoot you.
I don't have to do
He's gotta use the bathroom.
Oh my god, what the hell is going on in here? What the hell? This is a horrible restroom. This is not useful at all. This is not useful at all.
Is that fun? No. You gotta use the bathroom.
That's very rude.
Come on. Oh no. Whoa, no, no.
What do you think of that bathroom?
Put him in there. Yeah.
It's useless. It's useless. It's
You can't use that bathroom.
You can use it fine. Quiet, I gotta use the bathroom. Okay.
They even do it to their friends.
Can I use the bathroom in peace?
Why do I have to go first?
Good luck.
I don't want to go first. No! Everybody come in here!
Come on! Does my hair look good? No, mine is good. I just got it done yesterday. Am I lining up? Make sure you're watching. Listen, okay?
Watch the TV
at all times. Now it's time to party. Watch the TV. Yeah.
I'm watching. Watching that one. Oh God, please don't hit me in the I'm holding it with both hands.
You already know what's going on.
No, wait.
I love her.
We're watching the TV.
No.
We're watching the TV.
Hey, I'm watching it.
Over there now.
Okay, let's go. Wait, that's the wrong way. Oh shit.
Whoa!
Okay, welcome back to Night Terrors. Son of a bitch. Oh, is this a butt squisher?
Yeah, butt squisher.
Oh, crap. I gotta go backwards. Yeah. Oh my god, y'all inflated it too much. Bye, you guys. Knock, knock. Who's here?
Hey, buddy. Bye, Graham!
Bye.
No, we can't leave
Oh my
him.
god, he
Wait a minute, he fits.
Can I eat you?
No, girl!
Please,
With
can
the
I
girls, no. Hello? Why is there so many damn nuns this year? Please don't kill me. I'm just gonna scoot along. Those little girls work out.
Sweetheart, it wasn't aggressive at all.
Yes, it was. You got
Hey,
Why does it smell like candy in here?
Oh, I don't know. It might be me. I'm pretty sweet. Here we go. I don't know. We'll see. Do you think you look pretty or not?
What?
What's
looks
you?
great with his beard.
Anything else good? His beard does look pretty, don't it?
does look very
It does look kind of pretty. Here, come on now, sweetheart. Here we go. Here we
Hang
go.
on. What's?
Bring on that racket.
Wait, why y'all twins? Why are y'all twins?
I don't look nothing like that.
Y'all
Come on, he's ugly.
twins.
I'm
Y'all
pretty.
twins.
I'm real pretty. Come on now.
Disturbing.
Yeah.
Holding them hostage.
What?
Yes, you are.
You can't kiss me at that. What are you talking about? This out here?
twins.
I ain't holding nothing hostage. He's a sweetheart. He wanted this. He wanted to be my hostage. He's my little sweet prince. Right here. Yeah, oh God.
Oh my God! What the hell? What the hell?
What the hell? Look at he got money. Look at that. Let's see what you did.
that's beautiful.
You like him like this?
No!
Get him up. God.
No!
Oh, gosh.
Big push.
Oh.
You want to play? Come on, let's play.
Oh no!
Oh, go ahead. All right, come on, yeah, let's go.
Ashes, ashes,
Oh no. No, no.
It's supposed to be polo, not no.
It's no, no. It's hell no. I'm covering my lights so you can't see.
Tell her it's polo.
It's Polo.
It's polo.
No. 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 No, I don't want to go in here.
With her.
I don't want to go in here.
Hi. Hey. I'm still back here.
Okay.
Oh!
Jesus Christ.
This is my fun land.
Oh.
Oh! The fun land. Oh! Oh man! Oh man!
No. No.
Oh man!
Sorry.
No. 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 No.
Oh shit!
Oh no! She's still in the bed!
Whoop whoop!
Whoop whoop! Oh my god! Get away from me! Wicked clowns!
I'm going back.
Wicked clowns!
Hey! It's Hey!
Oh hey, it's Hey!
Hey.
Oh, we're walking.
Hey!
Hey, hey, hey!
Whoa!
Oh, right in the hay! Right in the hay! Right in the hay!
Whoa!
Right in the hay!
Come here.
Oh!
Ah, I got tickled! I'm getting tickled! I'm getting tickled! Get the hell out of here!
Hey, you
Get the hell out
too!
of here!
See who's running.
Get the hell out! Ah! Run the other way!
Get to my plane. Please.
What happened?
Oh no!
He got his face off and used it.
Oh.
I saw him, please.
Oh.
What? Not again! Oh my No. Are you okay?
No! Hey, how's it going? Oh!
No. Oh my God. She can't see. She can't see. She can't see.
I don't care, kid. No.
You're so rude. I don't care. I don't care to call you rude.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Spend an hour with me, you'll shoot yourself in the head.
I already want to.
Whoa! Whoa!
No.
Sorry for the camera.
Backwards! It's so soapy! What kind of detergent is this?
Right here.
Oh, I can't see!
Right here.
Oh gosh!
I can't see anything.
You're out.
Holy crap! There you go.
Oh. I can't see a thing.
No, you gotta remember, she went through the whole thing now.
That's horrible. right, guys, that was Night Terrors.
Bulls and Ghouls Night Terrors was insane this year.
A little bit. I had my hair washed and my whole body.
That was insane.
That was fun to watch Dwayne and our friends get tackled while Stevie didn't get as abused, but we still got tossed in a trash can and attacked by littles. So many littles attacking me. It was fun. I enjoyed it. It was nice to bring Grandpa back for a visit, to visit with the monsters.
That was very cool.
Yeah.
Dollface, when he lifted me up and put me in that casket, I was like, whoa, I was very surprised. He
I
just
think I got a good shot of that.
hoisted me up like I was nothing. And Leatherface, wow.
Again, the word
Just-
kayfabe. Good job.
Everybody did so good this year. The clowns, man, all you clowns are so amazing.
Yeah.
Every single one of you, thank y'all so much. We love you guys at Night Terrors.
Yeah, thank you for the screams.
Thank you so much.
Well, guys, you know this is not our last stop. We've got more to come, so stay tuned. Guys, if you're having fun with us, make sure to subscribe. We've got more coming. And also check us out over on Patreon in the Bulls and Ghouls Club. We have a lot of fun over there, and you get some exclusive content that you can't see anywhere else because YouTube doesn't like everything. So come over there and see all of our crazy videography adventures.
And while you're there, check out our new Halloween shirts. Specifically for the haunt season. Get it quick before it's gone.
We've got some cool metal font t-shirts and one exclusive that will be gone by the end of October.
So get it while the getting's good.
Yeah.
If you bulls and ghouls enjoyed this scary, terrifyingly good time, check out this video over here. You'll enjoy that one as well.
And guys, as always, thank you for taking a little bit of your time to watch a little bit of our crazy lives.
And until next time, you scary bulls and ghouls,
Onward and upward. I'm so tired I can't talk normal words anymore.
That was crazy.
All right, Grandpa,
Exhausted.
you're driving now.
Let's go.
Let's go, Grandpa.
Go away.